Unraveling Slang. The meaning of rat-arsed. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English slang. Specifically, we're going to explore the phrase, rat-arsed. This term is quite popular in British English and offers a great insight into informal language use. So, let's get started and find out what it means to be rat-arsed. Rat-arsed is a slang term commonly used in the UK to describe someone who is extremely drunk. It's important to note that this phrase is very informal and is usually used in casual conversations among friends or in certain social settings. The term is often seen as humorous and slightly vulgar, so it's best to avoid using it in formal or professional contexts. The origins of rat-arsed are a bit murky, but it's widely believed to come from British slang. The word ass, which is a British term for buttocks, is often used in British English to create various slang expressions. Over time, rat-arsed emerged as a colorful way to describe someone who is so drunk that their behavior becomes comical or ridiculous, much like how one might humorously imagine a drunk rat behaving. When it comes to using rat-arsed, timing and context are key. It's a term best used in informal, relaxed settings among close friends or peers. You might hear it at parties, in pubs, or during casual gatherings. However, remember that this phrase should not be used in formal situations, in professional settings, or with people who might find it offensive or inappropriate. To give you a better understanding, here are a few examples. 1. After his third pint, Mike was completely rat-arsed. 2. I can't remember much from last night. I was rat-arsed. 3. They were all laughing and joking about how rat-arsed they were at the party. These examples show how rat-arsed is used to describe a state of being very drunk, often in a light-hearted or humorous way. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, rat-arsed. Remember, while it's a vivid and humorous term, it's best reserved for casual, informal settings. We hope this video has been enlightening and added a fun, quirky word to your English vocabulary. Keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, have fun with the language. See you in the next video.